I'm Eric O'Brien, Managing Director of Queensland Power Protection. So Queensland Power Protection are a power protection specialist, design, install and certify lightning protection systems as well as maintaining them. Mobile testing calibrate our machines, so we need to be able to demonstrate that the machines that we utilise on site that we use to test and certify lightning protection systems are actually current and they're working, and that someone independent has assessed them and make sure that they're effective in giving us accurate results. Our experience in dealing with MTC has been really good actually. We've had some great experiences where we've had a machine that didn't actually work and we wanted to see if we can get it fixed. And we didn't end up with a fixed machine, but we did get some pretty honest feedback, which was it was going to be cost prohibitive to try and fix this machine. You're better off buying a new one. It's the sort of thing that speeds up that process. The sorts of things that they do for us are the sorts of things that we don't really want to think about. We're basically effectively after our certification so that we can present that in our documentation, make a phone call, they come and look at our kit, give us our document and we move on. They're quick, they're very responsive, price is very reasonable, no fuss. It's one of those things that you just make a call and things happen. The mobile service is really useful for us because we travel all over southeast Queensland, northern New South Wales. As an example, we've got some of our instrumentation or testing equipment in New South Wales at the moment. So it's pretty difficult to have all the gear on site at the one time to coordinate that. So we have to work with them to do that, and them coming to visit us to do the testing and calibration just makes that a lot easier. I would definitely recommend Mobile Test and Cal.